Hey folks, Bert from Triclean. Today I want to talk about a nifty tool for cleaning windows, and that is the Unger Ninja System. Here we have it in its entirety on a belt. So I have my scrubber. I have two different size squeegees, a large one and a smaller one for this type of window, and it even has a place to hold the all-important scraper. So whenever you encounter this little bit of vegetation or growth on your windows and need a scraper like this one has, that's a perfect handy tool. So all you have everything right here at your hip that you'll need. The belt is very comfortable to wear. One very neat thing about these Ninja squeegees is the quick release system here. In the past, you had to unscrew it from the back and pull the squeegee rubber out of the channel. Now you can put in new squeegee rubber in a matter of seconds by just unlocking these on each end, and the rubber slides right out. Quick change, super neat idea. Not to mention, the biggest thing is these feel delightful in your hand. They're ergonomic on all of their handles, and just makes it a pleasure to work for hours on end. So now we're going to take our Ninja System on a belt. Again, I have everything I need to wash windows right here on my hip. I don't have to go back to the truck for anything. So I'll just scrub this one up with the Ninja scrubber head. Again, the handle is ergonomic, so it feels really nice. I'm going to put it back in my holster, grab the smaller squeegee for this type window, and voila, I'm Bert from Triclean. Get you some of these Ninja squeegees, you won't be sorry.